to show you how to make easy home. This is the half cup of butter, and I'm going to mix it with the mixer until it's fluffy. Okay, the butter is fluffy. I'm just going to scrape it down a little bit and then start adding my powdered sugar a little at a time. And I'm going to mix it well, make sure not to do it too fast so the powdered sugar will fly out. So now the butter and powdered sugar has been mixed together, and I'm going to start adding the milk to make it creamy. This frosting right now is too thick, so I'm going to add some more milk and get it the right consistency. So this is a really good consistency. It's creamy but not too thin. And now I'm going to add the last ingredients, which is a pinch of salt, just a little pinch, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla, just depending on how you like it. And we'll mix that up, and then your frosting's done in 5 minutes or even less. Okay, all the ingredients are in there, and we've got homemade vanilla frosting.